Ever wondered how a blank canvas transforms into a stunning piece of art? Welcome to a journey where colors breathe life into a canvas, where strokes of a brush tell a story, where imagination takes form. Today we delve into the enchanting world of painting, a world where every beginner artist can find their creative calling. Step 1. Choose your medium. There's a plethora of options, from acrylics to watercolors, oil paints to pastels. Each has its unique charm, its own set of challenges. Acrylics, for instance, dry quickly and are great for layering. Watercolors, on the other hand, provide a soft, fluid effect. Explore each medium, experiment with them, and find the one that resonates with you the most. Step 2. Gather your tools. A good quality brush is essential. Brushes come in various shapes and sizes, each serving a different purpose. A flat brush, for example, is excellent for broad strokes, while a round brush is perfect for detailed work. Remember, a well-maintained brush can be your best companion on this creative journey. Step 3. Prep your canvas. A primed canvas provides a smooth surface for your paint to adhere to. You can buy pre-primed canvases, or you can do it yourself using gesso, a white paint mixture. Apply it in even strokes, let it dry, and you're ready to paint. Step 4. Sketch your idea. Before you dive into painting, sketch your idea onto the canvas lightly with a pencil. This provides a roadmap, guiding your brush strokes as you begin painting. Step 5. Start painting. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Experiment with colors, play with textures. Remember, every stroke is a learning experience. Step 6. Let your artwork dry. Patience is key here. Allow your masterpiece to dry thoroughly before adding any finishing touches or varnish. Finally, Step 7. Reflect on your work. Every painting you create is a part of your artistic journey. Reflect on it, understand what worked and what didn't, and apply these learnings to your next piece. To summarize, start by choosing your medium and gathering your tools. Prep your canvas and sketch your idea. Dive into painting, let your artwork dry, and reflect on your work. Remember, every stroke, every color, every texture is a stepping stone in your artistic journey. Embrace them, learn from them, and most importantly, enjoy the process. In the world of painting, there are no mistakes, only happy accidents. So, pick up your brush, dip it into your imagination, and start your artistic journey today.